Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you could use the Joy Python library, which is a symbol library which lets you draw shapes like square, circles, etc. in Python that you could use to create beautiful patterns. So basically you use this in their website known as mon.school, but I'm going to show you today how you could use this in Visual Studio Code. So first go to the Joy Python library, just search it in Google. There you go. Okay. So you can see the GitHub repository over here. Click on that. That will open up. Okay. So right now I'm showing you the easiest way to do this, which is by downloading the .zip. Okay, download that. I'm just gonna save it on my desktop right now. Okay, save that. And as you can see, the Joy repository is over here. Click on that and extract it. You can do this anywhere on a PC. Just remember the location. Okay. Yep, the file is here. See. Print up. You can see everything you need over here. Also remember that you need Python installed on your PC as well as the Jupyter extension on VS Code. You can install the Jupyter extension by going into the marketplace and searching Jupyter. Okay, click on that and install. Right, I've got it installed already, so not a problem. Next, locate yourself to wherever you saved the Joy mains, which is open folder, and I've got it on my desktop, so I'm gonna search on Joy. Okay, so you can see the file is over here, Joy main. Okay, click on that, select folder. You'll open it up. Okay, so these are the files that come with it, and this is what you want. Okay, next, what you're going to do is create a Jupyter notebook, okay, which lets you do all this, and it gives you the canvas too. So what you're going to do is name it anything you want and put in a .ipynb next to it. Okay, so that's how you create a Jupyter notebook. You wait for it to load up, and now you're going to import the library into this file. So you do that by typing from Joy, which is the name of the file, the joy.py, from Joy import star. Okay, so that's how we do that. Okay, now I'm going to show you simple code, which is I'm going to create a circle and a circle, okay, circle and then a rectangle. So that's equal to circle. You do this by just typing circle. It's as easy as that. And I'm going to specify the radius, which is 100. You can set this to anything you want. The canvas is 300 pixels, 300 into 300. So I'm going to set as 100 for now. Run it. This could take some time. Okay, as you can see, I did not get any display. That's because I have not yet printed it. So what you do is show C. Okay, run it again. And as you can see, the circle has come up. You could make any shapes. For example, I'm going to make a rectangle for now. Okay, I'm going to specify another variable, which is r is equal to rectangle. Width is equal to w is width is equal to 100, and height is equal to 150. Okay, and display it. Don't forget to display it. Oh, sorry. Okay, show r. Display that. You can see we got this. Okay, I'm gonna make a square now, which is by making the width and the height the same. So you got a square, and also remember that you can show multiple shapes together. For example, I want to show two circles together. So circle r is equal to 150. Okay, you can set this to any variable you want. Okay, so next I'm going to make a C1, which is another circle, and set the radius to 100, and show C comma C1. Okay, so this is how you show two variables together. So as you can see, I got a circle in which there's another circle, and if I wanted to, I could also show the rectangle that we just made in this. So that's by just showing r, and as you can see, we got that in there. So it's as easy as that. So this is how we use the Joy Python library in Visual Studio Code.